Apple's foldable iPhone has entered prototype production and may launch in the second half of 2026. Subscribe and share the video for more. Honor has launched the Magic V5 with a Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC and a 7.95-inch 2K foldable main display. Alienware has launched new Area 51 and Aurora desktops with the latest Intel Core Ultra CPUs in India. The Nintendo Switch 2 is getting restocked at various retailers, and WWE 2K25 will be available on the console this month. New titles have been added to Xbox Game Pass, including Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 3+4 and The Ascent. K Royal Kluge S1 8 typewriter keyboard 54% off. Google's Veo 3 video generation model is now available in India for paid subscribers, enabling advanced video creation capabilities. Subscribe and share the video for more. North Korean hackers are using NIM-Door macOS malware to target Web3 and crypto platforms, posing a significant threat to digital assets. Oppo Reno 14 Pro 5G and Honor Watch 5 Ultra have been launched in India, featuring advanced specs like MediaTek Dimensity 8450 SoC and eSIM support. Microsoft cancels Perfect Dark and shuts down Developer the Initiative, marking a significant shift in Xbox's gaming strategy. A breakthrough non-toxic method for extracting gold from e-waste has been developed, potentially revolutionizing the conversation. A new approach to understanding user needs and improving interactions. NVIDIA briefly became the world's most valuable company, surpassing others with its market value. Subscribe and share the video for more. The new console is restocking at various retailers in the US and UK. The handheld gaming device, MSI Claw A8 Pre, is available for pre-order, but its price has raised concerns about the future cost of PC gaming handhelds. Huawei Watch Fit 4 and Watch Fit 4 Pro were launched in India with built-in GPS and up to 10 days of battery life. Google's AI overviews have been criticized for potential antitrust issues. Crucial X10 1TB portable SSD 41% off. Microsoft has laid off 9,000 employees while investing $80 billion in AI, sparking controversy over executive comments on using AI to cope with job loss. Subscribe and share the video for more. NVIDIA's RTX 50 Super GPUs have leaked, featuring more VRAM but modest performance gains. Nintendo Switch 2 owners report overheating and crashes, even in less demanding games. Huawei's Pura 80 Ultra features twin telephoto lenses and a 9.4x zoom, impressing photographers. The $378 Chewy O-Box Mini PC can drive 4 4K monitors and has a Radeon 780M GPU. Razer Deathadder V3 Pro Gaming mouse 40% off.